Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Bags in Design by Khembuzz. To my existing subscribers, welcome back to my channel. To my new subscribers, if you're new here, welcome back to Bags in Design by Khembuzz. Guys, today's video I'll be showing you guys this lovely Dachshund beautiful laptop bag. So guys, I'm so sorry I've not been able to drop video for a while. I've been working so hard, on my next video, which is this laptop bag. So, my previous video, I spoke about three laptop bags. So, this is one of them. So, guys, I'll be dropping this video this week. Guys, stay tuned, and also, please, guys, watch the video to the end when I drop it. So, guys, it's gonna be a step-by-step tutorial. It's gonna be full of details, pattern, the measurement and all will be there. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to click on the notification button. Don't forget to like, comment and share my videos. Thank you very much guys. I love you all and God bless you.